Good morning from a Pennsylvania rest stop. I am on a road trip and I didn't stay here last night. I actually stayed at a Cracker Barrel parking lot not too far from here. The idea for this video is I'm going to make a van smoothie with one of these guys. So the backstory on this is that I worked an event earlier this year and a guy working the event had a small blender like this. I believe it was a NutriBullet. This is a Ninja. And it's smaller, but it's like USB-C, I believe is what that port is, charged. And I was like, that would actually be perfect to use in the van. I make smoothies when I'm at home and with like a bigger Ninja blender, and just didn't think I would be able to make that in the van. I never tried it, but you know, that needs to be plugged in, and I didn't think my power station would be able to do it, but maybe it could. But when I saw this, I was like, this would actually be perfect. It's smaller. It's a travel blender, basically. I was gonna buy one and was looking online, and then I went to a thrift store and I found this, and I was like, oh, 'twas meant to be. And so perfect. I tried it out at home, but this will be the first time trying to make a smoothie in the van. So I will say, when I'm at home, I use a frozen banana, either raw spinach, or I will freeze, or I'll blend spinach and freeze into cubes, and then use frozen fruit oat milk. So since I'm in the van, I don't have a freezer, it's just the fridge. So it's not gonna have the smoothie's not gonna have the same like icy, thicker texture as it would using those frozen ingredients at home. So it'll just be raw spinach, normal banana, raspberries, and oat milk. So it'll be more on the liquidy juice side. So let's try to make this. Okay, I think I found a position for the camera. So we'll see. First, I'm gonna do some spinach at the bottom. And since it's a much smaller blender, like than the one at home, I'm just not able to, it just doesn't make as much. That might have been too much liquid. It's pretty powerful. And let's try it. All right, here's our final product. Let's see. Ooh, I really taste the raspberries. Yeah, that's nice. It's a bit frothy. Yeah, that's good. Yay! Cheers. Thanks for watching.